You know this ain't legal. The wire comes out of the wall, it goes across the outside of the wall, and into the light. So this is a storage building, and this is the electrical coming into it, being fed from the house. Now, if this was the first point of connection for the electrical after the service, or connected directly to the service, maybe we should say, if this was a primary panel, then the neutral and ground here would be fine. However, this is not the primary panel, so this neutral and ground has to be separated. So I'll have to put a ground bar in and move the grounds over to that bar. Now I'm saying ground, it's actually grounding conductor, but everybody knows what you're talking about when you say ground. So I have a customer who bought these lights, and you see I've only got one globe on at the moment, but they do look nice. They do come with a problem. And let me put this down. This is the name on it, if you've ever heard of this name. So the problem is right here. See, I have taken this one and I've had to tap it out with a M5 by 0.8 tap, and that's what the screws are. The nuts that come with it, these little nuts, are also the 5mm, and it does not come with any 632 screws. All these holes in it are 632. It does not come with the 832, which is used to mount them to the box. It only comes with the 5mm. And the only way to get 5mm to work, because I have to have 5mm for those nuts, is you have to take and tap them out. So you have to drill the hole here and the one at the bottom, because these do hang either up and down or side to side. I believe this one hangs up and down. And the only way to get it to work is to have a 10mm, because they sent all the wrong hardware. Either that or they intentionally made it as the wrong hardware, so that the customer has to go figure their own stuff out. It will not work as it comes. You have to go get the parts and make it work. Which, if you do that, a set of taps, it costed me at Lowe's $29. So if I had sent the right stuff to start with, that's $29 I did not have to spend. If I had bought any other brand, or American brand anyway, you would not have to tap it out. This is not a problem with anything I've ever seen except for this. So after you've tapped it out and put the 5mm in, then you got these little bitty wire nuts it comes with, and you might as well just throw them away, because you're definitely not going to get two 14s into it. Two 14s plus the wire of the lights. So if you only got one 14, you might be able to get that to fit in there. This thing comes so you can mount it to wood screws. Now, I don't know what the electric code is everywhere else, but this requires a box, not wood screws. This product is definitely not compatible with itself. You will have to modify it.